So on behalf of the entire residents of North Town, Chennai, I would really want to congratulate and thank MG Motor to set up the EV charging point here. I think this is the future. This was a very quick initiative from MG Motor. We had a first interaction, and I just learned that we are the first society that is being inaugurated in Chennai. So that itself is a big privilege that we are having, and it's definitely an honor. So I think it's a great collaboration with MG Motor, and thank you very much.